Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. With that being said, you all, not even gonna say, just click on my subscribe button. Go ahead and click. I'll wait because it really helps out my channel, you all. And we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into whatever you want to call this particular video. See, I have a unboxing. Never ever guess. I'm not sure why I purchased this, you all. This is why someone needs to take my computer away from me at this point. Like, somebody needs to take my computer and my credit cards because I don't know why I purchased this. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Let me see. They just dropped it off because y'all, when I tell you I was getting ready to go eat because I'm hungry, and I was like, I wanted to wait because I didn't want to eat. You know, it had my face all done up and all that. So as you can see, it has a pull tab, so you may know where it came from if y'all been watching my videos for a while. So, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Louis Vuitton, yes hunty, yes hunty, honey hunty with a T-Y. Oh, look how cute! My goodness, y'all know how I feel about my Louis Vuitton, y'all. Okay, they tried to do the packaging. Okay, let me see how this is supposed to go. Thumbnail real quick. Well, I see got the Christmas packaging. Oh my gosh! So as y'all can see, it's not a bag. It's a small item. Is the receipt information. Like I said, I always write something to myself. Brother secretly watches me because when he got his sneakers from Bally's, I think, he wrote a little note to himself. I said, when you buy luxury, little bro, you gotta write something to yourself because they give you that, you know, that special paper and all that. Here's your thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. My receipt. Hopefully I don't have to return it because this is my first time ever purchasing this particular item online. I normally go in stores to purchase this. I just wrote love you because you have to love yourself first, you all. Like, number one, love yourself first. So here is the item. When I tell you this packaging is really cute. This is my first time ever getting something during the holidays as far as a luxury item. So I'm super excited for the packaging. So it was like a sticker. Okay, so I did get the right size. Yes. I did read it, you all, but I just wasn't sure because, like I said, I always went into stores when I purchased one of these particular items. As you can see, your girl got herself the 2022 Louis Vuitton Agenda set, or whatever you want to call it, because if y'all don't know, I do have the Louis Vuitton small agenda. I tell you, this is probably reaching 10 years old. Did get this pre-loved and show you when the last time I purchased agenda paper, y'all. Okay, this here says 2014. This here thing is about, like I said, almost 10 years old because the last time I purchased any inserts from Louis Vuitton was 2014. I remember when I first purchased my Louis Vuitton agenda paper. My mom was like, really, Tamika, you about to spend almost $100 for Louis Vuitton paper? I said, hush, Pat, because that's what I call her. I said, you have to understand Louis Vuitton and this whole agenda thing to get what I'm saying. Now, you can purchase things off of Etsy. I haven't purchased anything off of Etsy. When I got this, I just ended up purchasing Louis Vuitton. The thing I didn't purchase from Louis Vuitton was the pen because for me, I just couldn't justify paying over $200 for a pen. Like, I just couldn't do that. Now, I purchased a lot of expensive things, but not for no pen. So I ended up finding this. I forgot where I found this at, to be honest, you all, because back when I purchased this agenda, I was gonna say Louis Vuitton, YouTube hyped this thing up so much. That's what made me end up purchasing it. End up getting it hot stamped because, you know, if you purchase anything and it's not Louis Vuitton, they will not hot stamp the item. I also wanted to make sure that this item was real because, like I said, I did purchase this here pre-loved. Not that it wasn't real, but I just getting it hot stamped confirmed confirmed that it was a authentic piece. I did purchase the agenda and the diary pages. Purchasing the diary pages is because I didn't want to spend almost $100 every year for agenda paper. And then also, if you don't get it at a certain time, it's always sold out. So for years I just stopped worrying about it. It felt like lately I wanted to pull out my agenda book, because I do use it's in my other bag, but I do use like one of them dollar store calendars to keep up with my days I work, the days I'm off. So I was like, let me pull out my Louis Vuitton and be a little extra fancy when it comes down to writing my days off, my days I have to work, my paydays, and you know, things like so. Because lately I've been doing it. Now you can keep up with those things on your iPhone, but I'm old school. I'm over 40, so I like to write things down. Just feel like when you write something down, you have it, because if something ever happened to my phone, like for instance, I don't know my son's number, I don't know my daughter's phone number, I don't know a lot of people's numbers at all. So my phone ever died, or just the world ever shut down, I can go to my handy dandy Louis Vuitton agenda and pull out people numbers, you know, days I work and things like so. With that being said, y'all, I kind of had to justify this purchase by explaining all that to y'all, just to say I purchased the 2022 agenda book. For this particular item, I wanted to be surprised, so I didn't peek. So we're going to peek together. As you can see, it do have the flat. Oh, it's so fancy, you all. Like I said, it's been since 2014 I purchased Louis Vuitton stuff. Say all of these here pages cannot fit inside of this here Louis Vuitton agenda. Remember that? So I think I had to like move things around with that. I think I just like inserted what can fit far as the beginning of the year. I think this here starts, so it starts here in December, which is good because I can start off with the first set of sheets. Is this worth almost $100, you all? No. This here is silver. You have the agenda. Now I remember back when I purchased the Louis Vuitton agenda, it came with stickers. Assuming it comes with stickers. Now I don't see the ruler, which is fine because I do have my old ruler. I'll just keep what I had, because I remember when I did purchase the whole agenda set, it came with a ruler. So I guess a ruler is a ruler. This is where you could put phone numbers. I am going to utilize this because, like I said, I do not know anybody's numbers by heart. I do is his son, daughter, or you know, brother or whatever. So utilize all of that. This here page shows when the holidays. It's a section for notes, which will come in handy for me. Prefer to have it like a calendar form, because that's what I'm used to in my book, like, you know, the whole month on one spread. But guess I can work with this. I may just use both or whatever. They have like little pictures of drawings. Trying to get y'all to see. Hopefully you can see, you all. I'm not filming with my Louis Vuitton. I'm not filming with my other camera. Then you have this here. I don't know what that is. That's in French. Also have this here pretty drawing. So here are some stickers. It's not like the old stickers, so I guess this is all you get. I have the stickers in this here old agenda. So yeah, it's not nothing fancy. It's stickers. I don't use them, so I don't know, I may use these now. Agenda, it came with this here little bookmark, and like I said, you got your ruler. So these things I will keep in here. Got more stickers with the old version, and then you got these little Louis Vuitton stickers here. The older version, you did get more stickers. I think this was back when it had when it was the Louis Vuitton trunk collection. Here, I'm not going to get rid of it. I don't know sure how I'm going to organize this here agenda, but when I do, I will share. Insert for that. Like I said, that was back when it was the Louis Vuitton trunk thing. That's how that looked. And see, they had like colorful inserts as well. They do have trunks on here, so that here, this here little book insert will go with this. And if it didn't, I don't care, because I was going to use it. Here is, I guess, this here set of papers start in April. So let's see if it has stickers. So no, it don't have stickers with the set of Aprils. And put that back. So what I probably will do with this here particular agenda is insert everything in here, because this here ends in March. So when the March papers are done, I'll just go ahead and switch them out for the April set. So I'm gonna probably write on this so I know what set is what. It's in July. So it's basically like, just like I said, the agenda is so small you can't fit everything in here, and that's the only thing about having a small one. But again, I am okay with that because I don't really need like a big medium-sized planner in my bag. You have the end of the year, same thing. They're not like they were back when I purchased mine back in 2014. So I mean, was this one worth it? It was okay. I mean, it's not like, oh my gosh, you gotta run out and get it type thing. But like I said, it's been a while since I purchased Louis Vuitton inserts, and for some reason I just wanted to start using my agenda again, and having some new inserts will motivate me to do so. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and rearrange this here agenda really quick so I can show you all how it's going to look. So give me a few seconds and I'll be right back. I'm able to put the inserts in. Now the only difference with the newer version of the inserts, the stickers don't have holes where you can place them inside of your agenda like the ones from 2014, because as you can see they had holes in them. I'm taking these stickers out and placing them in here only because I haven't used them. I probably will never use them. I don't know, you all, but I'm gonna just take them out and place them inside of this here particular agenda. These here, the ones that don't have the holes, I probably will insert them in the back of the agenda. I may do with these stickers that don't have the holes, ouch, I may just place them somewhere back here and make it look cute, because I kept these stickers since 2014, you all, because I don't know, I just felt like I didn't have a place to put them. I'm gonna go ahead and close her. Now she's not as full as it was with these. Now here are the older inserts, and like I said, this was back when they had the brown box and everything. I do have room to put maybe a few other things in here. Now I do remember when this thing was really popular, a lot of people was using this as a wallet. I don't plan to use this as a wallet. I just plan to use this for a agenda and maybe put, I don't know, something. I don't know what I may put in here, y'all, to be honest. I'm not sure. Just a little treat for myself. A to me from me Christmas gift. I opened it. I will be placing the item under the tree to share what I got for Christmas when that time comes. So here is the new agenda, you all. I just wanted to show you how it looks. So different with the silver. I think I like the gold better. So this is what 2022 looks like versus 2014. Now these here I will be keeping because this is not the agenda one. This here is the diary pages one, but I put that in the box that this was in, so I just switched it out. So I will probably add a few of these here writing papers inside of this particular agenda. I'm gonna do with this, I don't think I'm gonna do anything with this. I know people was buying like inserts where you can, like the clear inserts where you can place little items in. People were buying inserts where you can put cards in here. When I tell you, this was like their wallet, agenda, everyday book, like everything. And on the medium size, you could do a whole lot with this. Now this one you can't do but so much, because as you can see, the opening is really small and I don't have that much room to even put anything extra in here. I may can squeeze a few more papers, but that's about it. So with that being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed this really quick Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is something that I wasn't looking to purchase, but again, when you online all day and watching YouTube, you end up purchasing things that you don't think you need. Do I need this? Probably not, but I got it and I appreciate it. It's going to stay. So with that being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on my subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.